Hi, dear viewers. What is the shortest prayer? I will tell you at the end of this lecture. Gratitude is the great multiplier, said by Rhonda Bryan. Dear viewers, a professor from California University, a professor of psychology, Mr. Robert Emmons, he conducted a research about gratitude for 8 years, and then he concluded that without gratitude life can be lonely and depressing. And if someone is practicing gratitude, then he is going to experience some significant changes in some of the areas of his or her life. Today we are going to discuss that what are the importance of being grateful, or what are the importance of gratitude. The first importance of gratitude is that it makes you to think about positive things in your life. Suppose if you are thinking that there are so many toxic people or negative people in your life and you want to get rid of them, if you are practicing gratitude, you are going to focus more on positive things. You are going to think that at least there are few people in your life who are literally your well wishers, and these people are caring for you and they are loving you wholeheartedly. Second importance of gratitude is that it turns even bad things into good things. Suppose you having problem at your workplace. If you are grateful, you are going to be grateful that at least you have job, and it would be easy for you to deal with the problems at your workplace. Suppose you are facing challenges, and if you are grateful, you are going to take it as a positive that because of these challenges you are going to be a stronger person. If you having problem at school, you will be grateful that at least you got a chance, you got an opportunity to go at school and to do study. Third importance of gratitude is that it makes you to say thanks to others, because on a daily basis so many people help us, so many people do favor of us, so we must say thanks to them. And it's not necessary that we must say them thank face to face. We can say thank you to them by sending a message, by calling them, by writing a letter, by sending an email. But we should not use these two powerful words, thank you, just for the sake of formality. We should mean it. And when you say thanks to someone, you should say it wholeheartedly and sincerely. These are only two words, so it can be a small act for you, but it means a lot for others. These two words can bring change in someone's life. Fourth importance of gratitude is that it makes you to give focus more on important things. Say for example, if you are grateful for having a roof over your head, you will not be worried about not having chandeliers. If you are grateful that you having food in your dish, then you are not going to worry, you are not going to stress about not having your favorite food item in your dish. So it makes you to give focus on important things more, so automatically you divert yourself from the negative things or from the less important things. It will make you to think that look, your parents are alive, you should be grateful. Your parents are healthy, you should be grateful. You having kids, you should be grateful. You having job, you should be grateful. You have a house to live in, you have a clothes to wear, you have a food to eat. So it will make you to think more about most important things. And if you are focusing on most important things, suppose if you are thinking that yes, God has given me good health, He has blessed me a good health. If you are grateful for this, you are not going to worry about low bank balance, because you know that is not that much important. So these are some of the importance of being grateful and some of the importance of gratitude. And we must be grateful for the negative things also in our life. If you are facing challenges, you should be grateful, because these challenges are making you a better person, a stronger person. If you don't have everything that you desire, you must be thankful, because if you have everything that you desire, then there will be nothing to look forward. You must be thankful for the mistakes that you have committed in the past. Because of those mistakes, you have learned some valuable lessons. So we must be grateful for the negative things also. Now let me tell you what is the shortest prayer. The shortest prayer is thank you. Yes, we must say thank you to Rabb, to the Almighty. And why we should say thanks to Almighty, that I don't need to tell you. You must have uncountable reasons for being grateful and for saying thanks to Rabb. I know you have so many reasons, and without wasting your time, after finishing this video, definitely you will say thanks to Rabb. Thank you for watching this video, my dear viewers. Please take care of yourself. Stay blessed.